Here, we look at your shared ownership home buying journey. From start to finish, it could all happen in as little as 8 weeks. We're here to help. Let's take it step by step together. First, you talk with a Resi sales consultant. They watch our videos with you, ask some questions, explain what happens next, and arrange some viewings. They also put you in touch with an independent financial advisor, an IFA, for your affordability assessment. All good? The IFA can also help you find and arrange the right mortgage for you. Now for your viewings. You go to see some shared ownership homes. Imagine life as a new homeowner. And reserve your home. You choose a few you like. And we offer you one. Then you pay a reservation fee to secure it. Next, you appoint a solicitor. They set a date for exchanging contracts in around 4 weeks. Meeting that deadline protects your sale and your reservation fee. Your countdown to exchange starts now. You work with your solicitor and your mortgage provider to make sure they have everything they need to exchange contracts on time. There's a lot to do, but we'll help you stay on track. Time for your welcome meeting. Come along before you exchange to find out all about your shared ownership home and what happens next. Your countdown ends. And you exchange contracts. You pay your non-refundable deposit and are legally committed to buying your shared ownership home. Around now, your new home passes the building checks to make sure it's up to Resi's high-quality standards. Then comes legal notice to complete. Your solicitor sets a completion date up to 10 working days later. It may be much sooner. You have to make sure your funds are ready for that date. The time frame is flexible when you're buying a new shared ownership home. Everything from exchange to completion and moving in could happen on the same day, but it can take up to a month. We'll keep you up to date. At your Resi home demonstration, one of our team meets you at your new home, shows you around and answers your questions. It can take place before you complete or on the same day. It's completion day. You become a homeowner and move in. Your Resi sales consultant calls as soon as your funds are transferred. They welcome you to your new home and give you your keys so you can start settling in. Are you ready to find out about the costs? Read Booklet 3 or watch Video 3 next. Find out more at sharedownership.co.uk.